Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create cinematic black bars the easiest way in After Effects. Let's get started. To create the bars, we won't use any effects. Instead, create a new solid layer. Make sure to click Make Comp Size so the solid matches the composition dimensions and covers the entire frame. Also, set the color to black, then click OK. With the solid created and selected, choose the rectangle tool and double-click it to create a mask. Select the left side of the mask and stretch it slightly. Then select the right side and stretch that as well. Next, under the mask settings, change the mode to subtract to invert the mask. Finally, open the mask properties and reduce the expansion value to create the cinematic black bars. And we're done. We've created cinematic black bars in a very easy way, in just a few seconds. You can also animate them to create a dramatic opening. For example, move to the beginning of the video and set the mask expansion back to 0. Click the mask expansion stopwatch to add a keyframe. Then move forward to where you want the black bars to finish opening and decrease the mask expansion value until it feels right. Let's quickly preview the video and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.